important message for the following county, Monroe, Michigan. What minor flooding is forecast? Where? River raisin at Monroe City. When? From Monday morning until further notice. Additional details, at 7:50 a.m. Sunday the stage was 8.4 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 9.2 feet early Tuesday morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Wednesday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Impact, at 9.0 feet, flooding begins at the Monroe Inca. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood